What's going on, guys? So I'm going to try and crank out one last video before it gets too dark outside. Thankfully, I have my Sony a6400, which is amazing in low light. But one of the issues that I've had with my car, in addition to my other issues that I've just fixed, is that my rear license plate bulb has been burned out. So several years ago, I replaced them with LEDs. The one burned out or broke, whichever, shortly after that, and when I went for an inspection, obviously I can't have a bulb burned out. So the shop replaced it with what they had, which are incandescent bulbs. So for the past like 3-4 years or so, I've had two different colors of license plate bulbs. On my driver's side, it's LED. On my passenger side, it's incandescent. I don't think about it because whenever I get in my car, I'm not looking back there, so I forget about it. I don't think about it. But it looks terrible and it annoys me. Today is the day we are going to fix that. So I have a 194 bulb. That's what my car uses. Chances are your car will use that too. If it's a Subaru, I think most other cars use a similar bulb, if not the same bulb. But I have a whole pack of them. A 10-pack from Amazon. I will drop a link in the description down below of where I got these. But they were basically $1 a bulb. So $10, and I have Prime, so free shipping, which is awesome. That way, if any of these give me issues, which I don't expect that they would, I have plenty to replace these with. So today, I'm going to be installing 2 of these on my car, and I also have a foam sheet here. This is Creatology foam sheet, 12 by 18 inch. I picked this up at, I believe it was Michael's. I know it's a craft store, but I'm going to use this to replace a bit of the weather seal that's inside the lens. I'll show you when we get there. But mine is all old and crappy. Does it matter? Does it need to be there? Probably not. I think it's okay. But since I'm at this project, why not just replace it with this? So that's what we are doing today. Very simple and straightforward. But with that being said, let's get to it.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love goes, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. Super basic, super simple install, but it looks so much better with both bulbs being LED like they should be. So if you need to do this on your car, I hope this was easy to follow. I wanted to do it earlier in the day, but if I did, then I wouldn't be able to show you the color difference and how dramatic that is. So I think I did it well where you could see what's going on, but it isn't too dark. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll catch you guys next time.